Welcome back to Terry's Model Rod Shop. It's been a while since my last video, but I'm going to get you up to speed on what I've done to the GTO. I've got it in primer. It's all ready to paint. It just needs to be wet sanded and painted. I need to paint the headliner first. I'm going to do that later. And then I've got the chassis in primer, and I got rid of the copyright dates on here. And the motor's ready to be painted. And you can see I've kit bashed the pulleys and the front serpentine system off of another kit. So next project's going to be getting the interior and the motor painted, and then we'll try to get the car painted in the next couple videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.